Once I've got all the frames taken and I'm at the computer, it's time to actually start working with the raw images. And when I say raw, I shoot raw. I use Capture NX2 for my raw processing. First thing I'm going to do, obviously, is start working with the curves. I've got some blank space there. I'm going to bring my white point down. That brightens it up a little bit. I want it a little bit darker, so I'm going to adjust the exposure, bring the contrast back up to get my blacks back to black. And I'm going to raise my saturation because this is a colorful flower. I want the colors to show up. The next thing I'm going to do is sharpen it quite a bit. I'm going to do a high pass focus. Get the right buttons here. And hopefully you can see a difference in this video sample between the raw image and a high pass focus. Once I do that, I've got one frame that I've adjusted. I'm going to pick those two changes that I've done. Oops, see, I got my caps lock on. I'm going to save that, and then I'm going to choose all the frames in my focus stack set, and I'm going to load those into it. And I'm going to be going through some batch processing here. I'm not going to actually complete this because I don't want to do that to all these frames, but this gives you an example of what I have to do to create my focus stacks. Once all that's done, I still have raw images. I need to convert them to a JPEG for my focus stack software to work, so I'm simply going to run a batch process to convert them from a Nikon NEF file to a JPEG. And I'm going to do that as a batch process. I'm not actually going to do that because I think we all know what a batch process is. But that will get me the JPEG images that are edited so my stack software can actually work with them.